My business has grown 9 times since using Java. Now that I'm with Java, I have so much time to spend with my family, my kids, and if a client does need help, it's automatically on my phone. Hi, I'm Millie Ventura, owner of Millie's Cleaning Service in Dallas, Georgia. I started Millie's Cleaning 17 years ago, and I've been using Java for 10 years. Before Java, it was really frustrating. It was really hard to run my business. I had it in a calendar, and I had to keep track of all my clients, keep track if they were paying me or not, and I know I lost a lot of money before Java. I just knew I needed a better way to keep track of my clients as I was growing. I knew Java was working with me because I was getting compliments by a client saying, I love the fact that you guys text me before you arrive so they could put the dogs up or they could grab their things and leave the house. My customers really liked that they could go on the portal and request a cleaning anytime. My second favorite feature is credit card payment option. At the end of each job, you could just send the invoice, text it or email it to any client, and they pay it with the credit card, and the money goes automatic to my account. My customers love it because now they could use their credit cards and earn points on their card. Now I feel like I have my whole business in the palm of my hands. It's so much easier for me to keep track of all my clients as well as my employees. I'm dreaming bigger now since I've been with Java. Start using Java now. Trust me, it is worth every penny.